I'm going to show you how to draw up your Fyremadel injection. This is your antagonist and your morning injection, and we will advise you on when to start it. They are pre-filled syringes, individually packaged. Open the box and you'll find everything is ready to go. It's going into your lower stomach, anywhere between your knicker line and your belly button. Take the cap off very gently. The needle is already attached. Pop it into your stomach at a 90-degree angle and plunge the whole amount directly into your lower tummy area. Hold it there just for a couple of seconds. Withdraw and place your needle straight into the sharps box. And that is to be done between 7 and 9 every morning, as advised by your doctor.